Nokia's another blockbuster smartphone is ready to rock the market. If you haven't heard about this smartphone yet, listen up, because today, you're in for a treat. Nokia is about to drop a bombshell with its latest powerhouse, the Nokia Lumia Max 5G, and trust us, you don't want to miss this. Imagine a 200 megapixel DSLR level camera, and a massive 7500 mAh battery, all of this at an unbelievably affordable price. Sounds unreal? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the full leaked specs, price, and launch date of this beast. So, if you're planning to grab this monster smartphone, stick around till the end. Let's start. Features of Nokia Lumia Max 5G. Display. This phone flaunts a 6.85-inch Full HD Plus OLED display, with 2K resolution, making every visual pop with insane clarity. But that's not all, it also packs a 144 Hz refresh rate for ultra-smooth scrolling, Gorilla Glass armor for toughness, an in-display fingerprint sensor, and even an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. Camera setup. Get ready to capture studio-level photos, because the Lumia Max 5G comes with a triple camera setup on the back. The star of the show, a jaw-dropping 200 megapixel primary lens. Plus, it's backed by a 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 5 megapixel depth sensor. And for selfie lovers, a crisp 32 megapixel front camera is ready to make your Instagram game strong. Blazing fast performance, running on the latest Android 16 OS, and this phone is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 processor, ensuring buttery smooth multitasking, gaming, and streaming without any lag. Battery backup. With a huge 7500 mAh battery, this phone is built to last days on a single charge. And when you do need to juice up, 125-watt fast charging, with USB Type-C Gen 2 port, gets you back to 100% in no time. Price and launch date. Now, the million-dollar question, how much will it cost? Rumor has it, this beast will be priced around $850, which is a steal for these specs, and as for the launch date, expect Nokia to unveil it by the end of this year.